Hello everyone, in today's short video we're going to be looking at how to change out your mass airflow sensor. This unit determines how much of your mass airflow is going into your intake. Don't get it confused with the MAP sensor, which is the manifold's absolute pressure. This is from a 2003 WRX GG wagon, and these sensors can be clean. They are from Denso. It is a good idea to change out your sensor even if it's been cleaned multiple times at around 150,000 miles. A bad MAF sensor can throw your air-fuel mixture completely off, making the car run rich or lean. Easiest way to test the MAF electronically is go to your cob access port if you have one, and go dial in the MAF volts. When you're at idle, it should read at about 1.2 to 1.4 volts. If you're below that, it might be bad. Warning everyone, these Phillips heads strip very quickly, meaning the actual head strip, not the threads. So you have to be extremely careful. A number 2x4 Phillips head worked really well. Put those Phillips heads aside, you do not want to lose them. Next step, and this is in no special order, you can unplug the mass airflow sensor itself and pull it up out of the intake's housing. Another important tip for Subarus is the housing that the mass airflow sensor sits in when you have an aftermarket intake needs to be the exact same diameter and size. Different aftermarket intakes will throw off the air fuel if that tube is different. Cobb, K&N, and SPT are the three that I know that work with the stock MAF sensor. Going to your new sensor, you want to check the condition of the rubber O-ring. There's only one way to insert this. It'll only fit one way. It should fit really snug with the O-ring. You don't want to over-tighten these Phillips heads. Just get them down snug. Reattach the electrical connection, and now's a good idea if you have the cob access port to reflash the car. Or you can take the negative battery terminal off and press on the brake and wait for about 5 minutes. This should reset everything. Resetting the car after you put in a new MAF sensor will relearn the car's air fuel to what it should be. Hey everyone, if this helped you out, subscribe to the channel, SVTWRC. Hit that like button for me. Leave a comment. I try and get back to everyone. We will see you soon. Take care, everybody.